But here's a remedy. If you guys don't want your engine to shut off, it stops. Got a Chevy Malibu here, a 2019, and got a code, and I think I know exactly what it's for. That's beeping is really annoying, so I'll shut the door here. It's on, but engine is not running, so we're gonna go to diagnose. Got this brand new C reader, CRP 123. Amazing little scanner. I'll put a link in the description below. Very, very, very awesome scanner for the money. So DTC's in this ECU. One, and I think I know exactly what it is. Engine hood switch circuit high. P257F. So let me tell you why the engine hood switch circuit is high. On this Malibu, it is a 1.5 liter Ecotec engine, and owner was complaining that it stops. The engine basically shuts off when it comes to a stop sign, stop light, which is really annoying. I find it very annoying as well. And because the environmentalists say that it saves gas by not running your engine for 30 seconds as opposed to letting it idle. I think it takes more gas to start the engine than let it idle for 5 minutes. So they wanted that feature gone. So what we did, we disconnected the hood switch latch. So the car doesn't know if the hood is open or if it's closed. So disconnecting these two wires right here, it thinks the car or the hood is open at all times. But the engine doesn't shut off anymore at stop signs. So if you guys are sick of that and you own a Chevy Malibu, I'll put a list of all the vehicles this will cover, and you can disable your hood switch as well. So very easy to do. Right here, you got a little, where is it? That little red clip. It's kind of a keeper. You got to slide that keeper out, then push on the tab, and it separates. So that's why the check engine light is on. So if you guys can stand the check engine light being on, then your engine won't shut off anymore. So pretty cool. I wish there was a way to go in there and program the car not to shut the engine off, but you can't. So I think with these new technology, it's also going to cause premature wear on the starters. You know, if your starter's starting the engine every other stop sign, stop light, pretty dumb idea, guys. Really stupid. And I stop by cars and they hear it all the time. They stop, and then the engine shuts off, and they put their foot on I guess they would take their foot off the brake, and the engine starts back up. So what do you do? But here's a remedy. If you guys don't want your engine to shut off, it stops. Go ahead and disconnect your hood switch. You will get a check engine light, but hey, you can clear that code before you have to go get it smogged. So hope this helps somebody out. If you can, please subscribe to Bundys Garage. And like always, I'll keep them rolling for you.